fried pig pussy. Once you eat one of these pig pussy pork rinds, you'll never eat another human pussy again.
It's a very simple question, Professor. Why do you hate God?
Sperm. You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
I hate
The Cooking with Jack show.
How can you hate
The Cooking with Jack show.
Because he took my hate away from me.
Sperm. You're watching the Cooking with Jack show. We'll be right back, right after this message. Open the door, stop on and sit on the line of sauces. Hold the message sauce for it's pretty good, really fun. But it is. That's not good enough. We made the best sauce first. And we just released the best gourmet season ever taste. Sauces.com. So guarantee you be cooking. United States. Go to the sauces.com. I'll be there for you. And now, back to the Cooking with Jack show.
You're about to see a performance of Danger Music number 17.
My life is wonderful now. I hate my old life.
I'm going to say something to you right now that I've never said to another living soul in my life.
You're dead. You're dead in Gloomsbrook. And guess what?
And how you doing?
Fried pig pussy. Once you eat one of these pig pussy pork rinds, you'll never eat another human pussy again.
Hello? Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
I don't want to go to school anymore, Dad.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Fuck you!
Hey, Mom.
Stop right now. You're human.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
We should start using liquid soap if we should succumb to our emotions and start showering together again.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Alright, kids. This is something that we have all come to be terrified of. Observe.
Toilet flushing sound.
Is that not horrifying?
He's playing some games.
I'm here to talk about the Bible.
All right, Lux Ray, let's go!
What's happening for him?
I love my wife. This is my wife.
John, I want a divorce.
She is nice.
This is Museum Network News. Hi, I'm John Molesky. We're covering breaking news. We take you now live to our correspondent who's standing by with this update.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey.
Thanks for that update. Keep it right here on Museum Network News for all the latest information.
I've been making homemade movies since I was a kid, and over the years, I've seen lots of technology change. But what's the one thing that always stays the same? The one thing that you always need to make a movie? The camera, right.
No, don't touch it. I wasn't going to touch it. I was just pointing at it. Don't point even. Don't point. It can't be played. Never. Can I look at it? No. Don't look at it. Oh my fucking god.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Furries. One of the most...
Oh my god! A porn site, let's go there!
Maybe!
Bitch, the fuck up!
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you!
You're about to see a performance.
Get the fuck off my car, bitch!
Margaret Thatcher!
Shut the fuck up!
Objects that I've shoved up my arse.
Frozen yogurt. Really? Put my finger in his face! Frozen! Yogurt. Frozen! No! It was called yogurt.
I was cold.
Do these subjects really think my meaningless joke is funny?
Get a life and stop jacking it.
Jacking off, jacking off, jacking off, jacking off!
Hi, my name is Carla Shaw. Hi, my name is Beanie DeAndrade.
Hi, my name is Danny Rockman.
Hello, my name is Joe Pera.
Yes. 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 No. Yes.
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
My boy, this...
Oh, get a new
Ubuntu!
Great!
What a huge hassle.
What the fuck are you eating, Grandpa? Lollipops?
Oh, I'm
Violent.
Whoa, a fucking autographed picture of Jesus.
I come in that one. Furries. One of the most...
Pokemon. The most...
Otherkin. A subculture... E-boys. A label... Emo. A rock music genre... Nudism. A movement... Cults. Groups of people... I spent a day with some of the most...
That sucks. I hate that.
I love movies. Gosh, I love movies. I love watching them, and I love making them.
Yo, what up?
Hey, this is Barack. Listen, I need to know if you got the Hadoukens coming out.
Hadouken!
Okay, good.
Hadouken! Hey, YouTube. Milkshake Man CP here.
Welcome to my video.
I've been making homemade movies since I was a kid, and over the years I've seen lots of technology change, but what's the one thing that always stays the same? The one thing that you always need to make a movie?
Right, this is something I came up with last week. It was Desi's idea to get you all around, so if you don't like it, blame him. And it goes a little something like this.
That's my boy. You're right. It is beautiful.
Your father would be proud.
He's gonna be huge.
So, tell me why you're here.
I've written a song.
Look, you seem like a nice guy. You give me no reason to think otherwise, but I'm going to be blunt. I want you to leave.
All right, no bother, Will. Thanks for taking a moment to...
What was that? That song? It's beautiful.
Aye, thanks a lot, mate.
Right? It is beautiful.
What would you know?
That's my boy.
Oh, shut up, you old kid.
Your father would be proud.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Your father would be proud.
I'm sorry.
Your father would be proud.
I'm sorry.
You're dead.
Look at this photograph.
Shut the door.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shay Shelflop, and right now I'm gonna attempt a high scream. Thanks for watching.
My thoughts on Keanu Reeves. Hello everybody, as you've heard before, listen, these are my thoughts on Keanu Reeves. Well, I think he's a good actor, but he's really good at action movies. It's just the last movie I saw him in was called The Bones.
How did you get in here, motherfucker?
I slipped and made a 20. I'm going to take you to the circus today. Come on.
You're from a mental institution, that's why you're wearing all white.
No. I'm not from the mental institution. I want to bring you to the circus. The greatest show on earth.
Brother.
The best choice. The most choice. Info chip.
Why do you suppose I just hurled a chair at your head, Neiman?
So what new band?
That's just disco.
Eat the fucking burger!
Don't! You heard me right. I said do not. Don't. I say that one more time. Don't.
Hey, Vsauce! Michael here. Come on in. If you keep going, you will eventually emerge out my other end.
Good evening, everybody.
What did the walrus say to the doctor?
I've been making homemade movies since I was a kid, and over the years...
Go ahead, laugh. Everyone's doing it. You don't want to look like you don't get it, do you?
Fuck you in the up!
I've been making homemade movies since I was a kid, and over the years, I've seen lots of technology change. But what's the one thing that always stays the same? The one thing that you always need to make a movie? The camera, right?
Beans. One of the most...
Objects that I've shoved up my arse.
A sex man!
Homemade movie.
Whoa! Oh yeah! Whoa! Oh no! Okay! Whoa! Ow! Ow! Whoa! Cool! Whoa!
Iznači dalje specijalno odbrave bravce, iće Nermina za njove kćerke i ostale ciljine goste. sudbinu se ne žalim. Ti si čerko, tati sin, sa tobom se ponosim. Za moju čerku ja noćas slavim i malo zbog nje važan se pravim, jer hoću nešto da kažem svima, ko ima čerku ima i sina. Ti si čerko, tam ti sin, za sudbinu se ne žalim. Ti si čerko, tam ti sin, sa tobom se
Furries, one of the most misunderstood groups on the internet. Members of the furry community have been ostracized by the public for their unique form of self-expression, some calling them scary or sexual or even disgusting. Why do these people feel most comfortable wearing a furry animal suit, and what do these people actually like in their day-to-day lives? Is being furry primarily a sexual thing, like so many people believe? My name's Anthony.